Good morning, students. Now we will discuss about the long answer questions of your chapter number 10, and it is on page number 88. So the first question is, what are the different forms of energy into which solar energy can be changed? So in this you have to write that how the solar energy can change from one form to another. So I have told you in examples also that solar energy is basically used to produce electricity, and it is also used for cooking purpose in the solar cookers, in the form of solar cookers. So what it is written, that solar energy can be changed into other forms of energy that we use on earth. How? That energy for food. The solar energy is also used as energy for food. In, for example, you have seen in plants. The plants also uses sunlight to prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Second is it is also used to produce electricity, means it can be converted into electrical energy in the form of solar panels, or you can say solar cells. And it is also used to produce heat energy. How? You can see in the example of solar cooker. In the solar cooker, the sunlight is converted into heat for the cooking of food. Now coming to the question number 2. Write a short note on atomic energy. So you have to write the few lines regarding atomic energy. So as the name indicate, it is related to atom. So what is an atom? We all know that atom is the smallest particle of the matter. So the atomic energy comes from splitting of an atom. So when an atom breaks, it leads to the formation of an atomic energy. So the atomic energy basically comes from splitting of an atom. Atomic energy is also used to produce electricity. We all know this atomic energy can be utilized to produce electricity, and it is also used in weapons, like for the making of atomic bomb, which can kill lakhs of people. Now coming to the third question. The third question is regarding what is geothermal energy. So the energy that we get from the hot interior of the earth, means the energy of the hot molten rocks, energy of the hot water which is in the earth. So that two things can be used as an geothermal energy, and basically it is useful for heating and to produce electricity. So this is the simple one. Now coming to the question number 4, that is, how do simple machine help us? So simple machines basically help us. How? They to do our work easier, means they makes our work easier, they makes our work faster, and you can do work with less force. Fifth question is, write two machines being used at home in which one form of energy is changed into another. So you have to write any two examples in your surrounding at home in which the one type of energy is changing into another type of energy. So there are two examples I have written that are very simple ones. If I am taking the example of table lamp. In table lamp, what happens? The electrical energy is changed into light energy for the lamp bulb. So here what is there? Electrical energy is converted into light energy for glowing of the bulb of lamp. Now in toaster also the electrical energy is changed into heat energy. So that heat energy can be used to toast a bread. So these are the two examples in which one form of energy is changing into other form of energy. So these all are regarding your long answer questions, and you have to complete this in your fair notebook. And if you have any doubt regarding any question or the spelling or anything, you can message your doubt on my number. Thank you and have a nice day.